Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work, and thank you for taking just a few minutes of your time to make your life better. Well, over the last few weeks, we've been talking a lot about who we are. I've been encouraging you to take a look at yourself and ask that internal question of who am I? I'm giving you lots of different tools, things to think about, but today I want to turn the page just a little bit. This will relate to that, and we will return to who you are because that's an important part of life and understanding how we develop. It helps with our awareness. Lots of things, ebb and flow on understanding who you are. But let's turn the page, and I want to talk about a new subject, something I think is very important today. So that new topic is going to be trust. T-U-R-S-T, trust. I would say in our world today, anytime, in any relationship, that this word trust is the most important thing. If you can't trust the other person, can't trust the organization, you can't trust people, then I'm not sure how life will go for you. You see, what I know is this: if you think of the trust as kind of like a dashboard meter on your car, maybe look like the gas tank or something. Right now, the trust indicator, the trust meter, the trust tank gauge in our world, individually, collectively, as a society, as a group, as a country, as a world, our trust meter is on empty. And we're suffering. All of our relationships are suffering because we don't know who we can trust, who we should trust, if I should even give my trust to someone. What happens if my trust has been broken? What do I do with that? See, every relationship in your life ebbs and flows based on trust. And it's very important to understand where you are in any given situation. You see, we've all heard this, someone say this to us. Well, just trust me. Well, should you? Can you? These are big questions that we need to ask. So for the next few weeks, I want to talk to you about trust, and I want us to explore some ideas. How do you know when to give trust? Do you know when to withhold trust? How do you earn someone's trust? And here's an idea. What happens if trust is broken? How do you fix it? You see, the human being is wired, from our brains to our physiological connections. We're wired to need trust. And the question that we're all asking is, am I safe? Or is it safe? If I don't feel that it's safe, then I can't trust. So what all does that mean? Well, that's about as far as I want to go today, and I hope you'll return each week, because what I want to put in the back of your mind is this, is everything, and I mean everything, rises and falls on trust. Come back next week and I'll share some more about this topic. And as always, thank you for joining me here. And I look forward to seeing you next time on a coffee chat.